A huge shout out to BMW of North America and XPEL for their support of this year's Rebelle Rally. When I found out XPEL was working with BMW of North America again this year, I was super relieved. I'm super appreciative of the international team of women who put this together. It makes it that much more special. The idea that it's gonna never show a single scratch, it's gonna look pristine for the whole entire rally. I got to see a tiny preview of the vehicle, but when I first saw it finished was here today. My favorite part of the car right now is actually that 30-year sticker that's in celebration of this manufacturing facility. It's a real honor to be able to carry that. I was excited. So last year, we took the X2. We had no idea what to expect. We came away with a podium. So we got second place. This year, we know the pressure is on and we're ready for it. We're gonna bring our A game and we wanna take on all the rest of the crossovers and hopefully come home with not just a podium finish, but let's go for a win. You can catch us this year at the 2024 Rebelle Rally on rebellerally.com for live tracking, on YouTube with the live shows that are throughout the day from October 10th through October 19th, and on XPEL Instagram.